hardened by fire and pressure, designed and supported by one of the largest laboratories and technical centers in the industry. Driveline components from the Fairfield driveline plant are the best in the world. What is their secret? It's seen in every piece of every product shipped. It's the quality performance of Rockwell International machinists, engineers, managers, and associates who have committed themselves to excellence and have achieved worldwide recognition. In all fields, Rockwell International Fairfield has demonstrated its ability to compete globally and meet each customer's highest expectations on every order, in every part.
From the Ford Q1 Award for Quality and Excellence to Caterpillar certification and the Military Standard 45208A, qualified by the U.S. government, the Fairfield driveline plant has received recognition from the who's who of international business: Mack Truck, John Deere, Mercury Marine, Mercedes, Freightliner, and many other important customers. By striving for the highest standards of engineering and manufacturing excellence, the associates who make up the Fairfield driveline plant stand for consistent quality and unsurpassed excellence. Quality performance, commitment to excellence. Rockwell International, the Fairfield driveline plant. Rockwell International is a name forever associated with research, state-of-the-art technology, and manufacturing excellence. A $12 billion corporation, 1/6 of the employees are scientists. And with this total commitment to research and development, Rockwell is at the forefront of industries which touch every life on the planet, from aerospace and electronics to graphics and automotive. One large sector of this vast corporation is the driveline division. With an Asian facility in Singapore and North American plants in Oregon and South Carolina, the main plant is in Fairfield, Iowa. Located in America's heartland, central to the entire nation, the plant draws on a highly qualified labor base steeped in small-town values, where people are friendly, the quality of life is good, and where at work, the customer's needs always come first. Since 1961, the Fairfield driveline plant has undergone 4 expansions. The latest expansion of 50,000 square feet reflected an investment of over $1.6 million, brought the plant's total square footage to over 220,000 square feet, and had a significant impact on the plant's functioning. As expected, Rockwell was able to reduce cycle time, work in process, inventory, and lead time. The implications of this technical redesign and reorganization were far-reaching, improving quality performance and customer service.
Good afternoon, this is Alicia. May I help you?
Customer service is one of the key elements of the Rockwell way, and it starts at the plant with people.
Yes, they are on schedule. Let me see when they'll finish, please.
The highly skilled quality workforce from start to finish enables Rockwell to consistently gain productivity improvements and constantly be responsive to their customers.
At the Fairfield driveline plant, state-of-the-art systems provide same-day response to customer inquiries, whether it's to follow up on an existing order, a special problem they may be having, or a long-term project they are tackling.
By assigning professionals permanently to specific accounts, implementing same-day order entry and immediate reply systems, every day Rockwell demonstrates a unique responsiveness to the needs of the marketplace, and more importantly, to their customers' marketplace. Rockwell's range of product lines spans 3 major markets: off-highway, on-highway, and marine drive shafts. These business segments include assembled shafts and loose components for heavy truck, medium truck, construction, steering, and marine. In each area, on the floor of the Fairfield driveline plant, the overriding concern is for quality manufacturing to yield consistent performance for clients all over the world.
These parts, this part in particular, has pits where the gate is, the way I understand it.
Continuous improvement is not just a buzzword at Rockwell. It is a process on which every decision and commitment is evaluated. Quality assurance programs and inspection procedures help maintain the highest standards of craftsmanship and consistency. Each and every Rockwell associate is well trained in the importance of improving performance and maintaining quality. And the results have shown up in improved on-time delivery, along with reduced product cost. This competitive perspective enables Rockwell to attract and keep clients. It influences every decision and every commitment. The Fairfield plant is supported by the Technical Center in Troy, Michigan, known worldwide for its advanced research capabilities and test facilities able to test even the largest off-highway products. This ability to engineer and test customer products according to customer specifications places Rockwell International in an elite class of manufacturers, surpassed by none. To reach the highest standards of performance, Rockwell has implemented innovative processes and procedures, blending their existing equipment with the latest state-of-the-art technology at every stage of manufacturing and customer service. As with every other element, once the technology has been put in place, production ultimately comes down to people. And Rockwell's machinists are world-class. Along with Rockwell engineers, they have developed many very innovative solutions. The nylon coater.
We put a coating on for longer wear. We check 5 out of 50 in every basket. Before we can move a basket full of parts, we have to have the auditor come check 5 out of 50 so we can get them out of this department, because we're into quality back here. We want to have quality parts come out of the polyglide.
Induction hardening.
This machine induction hardens our parts through a process of electromagnetic heat. We case harden to a specified RC hardness and case depth. And after verification of a setup, we then take our first piece and we dissect it or cut it into 3 parts, and we verify our case hardness and our depth patterns. And each sample is then photographed and logged in our metrology department for verification and traceability.
Friction welding.
This operation, we cut off the bar stock to length, we stamp each part with the day and the shift, machine checks each part for metal displacement to ensure proper forge distance, which is very important because it is a safety component. It is checked and verified at the turning operation with the ultrasound.
The Okuma Cell.
Right here are 2 computer-operated Akuma lathes. Lathe A turns the front side of the wing style part. Lathe B turns the back side of the wing style. From here it goes to a broach. With these 2 machines, we can hold real tight tolerances. Every part is basically exactly the same and holds real tight tolerances.
Steering assembly, press and weld.
This is a press and weld. All parts are washed before we weld them to make sure there's no porosity. Press them to length, and then we weld them, and then they're torque tested and magged 100% for cracks and blowholes. They're a safety-related component, so that makes it, extra important.
Driveline assembly, press and weld.
In this area, we press and weld drive shafts. When we press, we make sure that the ears are within 1.5 degrees and all loop fittings are in line. I take the time to make sure it's right.
The easy service yoke broaching operation.
We broach a nib, drill and tap, easy service yokes. We try to put the best quality part out that we can get. I don't like to put out bad parts, and I sure don't want to see the customer get them either.
At the heart of the manufacturing process is a constant development and investment in high-performance systems. The 1992 expansion involved the following redesign: established machine centers and implemented the cellular concept while reducing the distance traveled during the manufacturing cycle time. With this development, the Fairfield plant has successfully implemented advanced technical redesign. Complementing this technical redesign is the social redesign, which Rockwell is continuously developing through its high-performance systems and other innovative training and communication programs, which have improved performance and working conditions. The quality systems in place are responsible for the remarkable reliability and integrity of the products produced. Each product goes through many stages of inspection, and only after successfully standing up to strict Rockwell standards is the product ready for shipping as a Rockwell product. In 1993, the Fairfield plant was selected as a pilot plant within Rockwell Automotive to implement the theory of constraints as popularized by Dr. Ellie Goldratt in his best-selling book, The Goal. With this theory of constraints development in place, Rockwell Fairfield has been able to improve process flow and online scheduling, and is on track to monitor and respond more quickly to market changes and customer needs. There is a strong plant-wide communication system which emphasizes employee involvement and consists of regular meetings, task teams, information centers, and gain sharing. With small problem-solving groups constantly working together, the plant reflects an integrated and unified workforce. In its relations with the IAM union, traditional barriers have been broken and communication has been strengthened by instituting a steering committee which helps to blend all the various interests at the plant. The Fairfield driveline plant prides itself on its emphasis on safety and has continued to improve safety each year, a direct result of the training activities implemented and closely supervised. Along with the innovative technical and social redesigns which have been implemented over the past few years, Rockwell has quietly succeeded with a program to reduce waste. By recycling paper and wood products, the Fairfield plant has been able to reduce waste by over 25%. For the metal waste, every day at every work center, a sophisticated recycling operation gathers metal chips, stores them, and ships them out for recycling. This commitment to environmental issues is just another way that Rockwell demonstrates its commitment to quality in the environment and in the community. With a highly skilled workforce, the support of an internationally renowned engineering and testing facility, and the vision to implement innovative social and technical systems, Rockwell Fairfield is on target with the Rockwell mission statement. 1. To be a global supplier of superior quality, cost-competitive driveline products, exceeding stringent requirements and guaranteeing customer satisfaction. And 2, to promote an atmosphere of mutual trust, pride, and commitment for the welfare of our customers, employees, and community. From the highway to the waterway, from construction site to military applications, the machinists, engineers, and associates at the Fairfield driveline plant of Rockwell International are meeting the demanding specifications of a global market. Through quality, consistency, and reliability, they are leading Rockwell International into the next century and delivering every day on every job quality, performance, and commitment to excellence. Rockwell International, the Fairfield driveline.